day the rabbit challenged the turtle to a race, saying, "I am so fast, I'll win for sure." The race began and the rabbit sprinted ahead, full of speed, while the turtle moved slowly, step by step. Confident the turtle couldn't catch up, the rabbit took a nap under a tree. Meanwhile, the turtle kept walking steadily and crossed the finish line first. Lesson clear for me and you: patience always pulls you